Assalamualaikum students, welcome to English online class of grade 2. It's me Sabina Bashir, your English teacher. It's my 5th lecture with you, and today we are going to do the topic common and proper nouns. Okay, so let's open our workbook. Okay, open your workbook page number, English workbook page number 40, and mention date and day on the top of the page. Okay, our topic is nouns. There are two types of nouns, that are common and proper noun. Okay, common, general names for any person, place, animal or thing, and proper, specific name for person, place, animal or thing. Okay, read these words: man, dog, girl, shoes, city. They are the names of any person, place, animal or thing. They are called common nouns. Okay, these are, among these words, man is general name for persons, dog is general name for animal, girl is general name for person, shoes is general name for thing, and city is general name for places. So these are common nouns. And one thing more about common noun, that they are not capitalized. Okay, हम उनको कैपिटल लेटर में नहीं लिखते, although अगर उनसे सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा हो तो. So what are common nouns? Common nouns are the name of any person, place, animal or thing. Okay, what are common nouns? Common nouns are the names of any person, place, animal or thing. Underline the common nouns in the following sentences. First one, the cow is in the shed. Okay, in this sentence, cow and shed are common nouns. I play with my sister. Sister is general name for person, so sister is common noun. A man is sitting in the chair. Okay, man is general name for person and chair is general name for thing, so both are common noun. My father goes to office by car. In this sentence, father, office and car are three common nouns. Father is general name for person, office is general name for place, and car is general name for thing. Cats drink milk. Cats general name for animals and milk general name for thing. So the name of any person, place, animal or thing is called common noun. Okay, next is some words name a special person, place or thing. Okay, they are called common noun. Okay, special name of any of a person, place, animal or thing is proper noun, and they are always begin with the capital letter. Okay, your name is special name, proper noun. Okay, so you will write always your name with capital letter. Okay, here's example: Rida and Fatma celebrate Eid al-Fitr together. Okay, in this sentence, Rida, Fatma, both are proper noun. Okay, because they are names given to persons. Okay, both are girls and they are given the specific name. So Rida and Fatma are proper noun. We will write them with capital letter. And Eid al-Fitr is the name of event. Okay, celebration, event. So we will write it with capital letter. It is also a proper noun. Okay, here Rida, Fatma and Eid al-Fitr are special names. Okay, so special names given to person, place, animal or thing is proper noun. Next, underline the common nouns, circle the proper noun. Now you will understand better. By doing this activity, you have to underline common noun and circle proper noun. Read first sentence: Haris lives in Multan. Okay, you can see that Haris is a name given to person, so Haris is the proper noun, circle it. And Multan is a special name for place. Okay, it is a city name, so all the cities name are proper noun, so we will circle it because it is a proper noun. Okay, and one thing more, you can see that both words begins with capital letter. Okay, we went to see the Jello Park. Okay, in this sentence, Jello Park is a noun and it is a proper noun because it is the name of place. Okay, the hat is on the table. In this sentence, hat is a general name for thing, so it is a common noun. We will underline it. And the table is general name for thing, so we will underline it. Okay, the lion ate meat. The lion ate meat. In this sentence, lion is a common noun because it's a general name for animals. Okay, children love to eat ice cream. In this sentence, children and ice cream are common nouns. Allama Iqbal is our national poet. You know that names given to any person is proper noun, so Allama Iqbal is a proper noun and poet is common noun because it's a general name for person. Okay, so our topic is common and proper noun. Common name, common nouns, general name given to any person, place, animal or thing. ठीक है, कोई भी आम नाम किसी भी शख्स, जगह, चीज़ या जानवर का आम नाम क्या कहेंगे इसको? कॉमन नाउन. एंड प्रॉपर नाउन, स्पेशल नेम्स गिवन टू एनी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. ठीक है, ख़ास नाम जो हम किसी जानवर, पर्सन, प्लेस या एनिमल, थिंग को देते हैं. ओके, नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स वर्कबुक पेज नंबर 41. Mention date and day at the top of the page. Make it proper. Okay, in this column you are given with common nouns and in this side you have to make them proper. Okay, boy, you know that boy is a general name given to person, so make it proper by giving name. You can write name of any boy here, Ali, Hassan, etc. Okay, country, all the country name is proper. Okay, so write Pakistan or other country name, so it will become proper noun. Restaurant, restaurant is a general name for place, so you will give name to it, Osmania, Silver Food or any other restaurant. Holiday, Sunday. Okay, so in this way you will complete this. You can see that these are common nouns and you make them proper noun by giving them special names. And one thing more, all the words are beginning with capital letters, so proper noun begins with capital letter. Next question is use comma, use common proper nouns and verbs given below and make sentences. Okay, in this question you are given with common noun, proper noun and a verb, and you have to make sentences. Underline proper noun, circle common noun and make a triangle around verb. What you have to do? You have to underline the proper noun and circle the common noun and you have to draw triangle. So let's start. Androcles lion see. So you will make sentence Androcles see the lion. In this sentence Androcles is a proper name, so you will underline it. See is a verb. Okay, see is an action, so you will make triangle. It is a verb. And lion is a common noun, so you will circle it. Okay, next one is polar bear live Canada. You will write complete sentence. Polar bear live in Canada. So polar bear is a name, special name of an animal. Okay, so polar bear is a proper noun, you will underline it. Live is verb, make triangle around it. And Canada is also a name of country, so you will underline it. It's a proper noun. Next sentence is Rida books love. Make complete sentence. Rida loves to read books. So in this sentence Rida loves to read books. Rida is a proper noun. Okay, reach is an action, so circle it, make triangle around it. And books is a common noun, so circle it. And the last sentence is Allama Iqbal books write. Okay, so Allama Iqbal writes poetry books or books. Okay, in this sentence Allama Iqbal is a proper noun, so underline it. Writes is a verb, so make triangle, and books it's a common noun, so you will circle it. Okay, in this way you will complete workbook page number 40 and 41, and I will send you homework as well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.